portion. BF equals to X. Tan 60 equals to BF upon DF. This BF upon DF, right? Okay. Therefore, BF equals to DF equals to BF upon tan 60, right? DF here, tan 60 here. But BF we know X. X upon root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Okay. Now next, sin 30 equals to sin 30. See this, 30 is this. I am walking at a 30 degrees, right? So sin 30 equals to DE. DE means this short distance. DE upon hypotenuse 600, right? Therefore, DE equals to 600 into sin 30. Sin 30 I know half. So 600 into 1 by 2. That is 300. So what do I get now? I got this DE. I've got this DE now. What do I want? I want this total H. Right? DE I know 300 now. Now cos 30 equals to this 30. Cos 30 means adjacent upon hypotenuse. Okay. So cos 30 equals to AE upon 600. AE upon 600. Now AE I can find out then. Therefore AE equals to 600 into cos 30. But cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 300 into root 3. Right. So AE is 300 root 3. Now what? Next, BC equals to AC because 45 degrees. Therefore BF plus FC. BF plus FC equals to AE plus EC. Right? Okay. Therefore BF is X plus FC is 300. We have found out this. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.